Yes,
sigaw ako dito. So, nandito na tayo sa NAIA. Ayan, ito na yung Terminal 3 tayo, guys. Dito kami sa may Jollibee. Ayan. Set, pakita ko naman, Set. Gupit check ka muna. Gupit check.
Kailangan ba?
Kaya pwede po kumuha ng trolley. Okay lang.
Meron dyan, sir?
Kunin mo isa lang. So guys, kakarating na namin sa sa terminal NAIA. So time check tayo, guys. Alas 3 na ng umaga. Alas 3 na ng umaga. Ano yan? Ito yung namin, yung dala namin. Ito, ayan. Mukha siyang madami. Kasi, kami, 7 days. 7 days tayo, guys. Saan tayo punta? Singapore! Let's go! Ito na si kumpadre. Lagay natin. Yung malaki daw muna. So hindi na nakakaya mag-vlog, guys, kasi normal naman na to eh. 2024 na, normal na mag-vlog. Kaya di na awkward mag-vlog sa mga gantong lugar. So ayan. Uy, yung Gucci ko, mahal yan.
Ito mo, ayan.
Ayan. Ito yung pinakamahal na duffel bag dito sa lahat. Ito. Ano nyo naman. Gucci gang. Damn.
Kailangan mo na sinunod. Tumawit ka kasi natin.
So we're here sa Kenny Rogers. Kakain kami muna. Since yung last na kain namin 9 PM pa yata. So yun.
Anong side dish mo? Corn potato.
Ano sa atin? Side dishes. Ito ata side dishes nila. Ayan.
Salad lang sa akin, tsaka yung
Dalawa. Hindi, baka isa lang pwede.
two regular.
2 regular side dish ba?
Anong side dish nyo?
Yung salad.
Yung isa, coleslaw, tsaka fruit salad. Yung isa, kayo ganun din.
Yan din.
Yung tatlo na yun.
Drinks. Ano? Ito. Joke lang. Ito. Alcoholic. Ito. Kunin mo na yung tatlo. Yes. Kasi lang mga pagpipilian kaya ito lang. Yes. Tama. She's right.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
Hindi ko lang kung saan to. Pero malapit na ata kami sa immigration. Nasa ano namin? Ano bang tawag dito? Yung sa luggage, checking ng luggage na. So yan. So yan. Wait mami. Hali kami mami. So yun guys, update, nakapasa kami sa immigration. Pasok na kami sa Singapore. Tuloy na. Tuloy na Singapore. Tuloy na. Let's go. Yan guys, tuloy na ang Singapore guys. Let's go. Ngayon papunta na kami sa destination namin. Pagkatapos namin umihi, papunta na kami sa dito guys. Let's go. Yung passport ka. Online tubig.
Yung guys, papunta na kami sa gate 1 ng 8. Roll mo yan, kitang-kita oh. Binubol sa isok niya oh.
Hindi mo, awakan ka daw.
Ngayon, gantay na kami ng oras para makasakay sa aeroplano. And yun, we'll be right back. Ito na kami sa harap ng mga aeroplano.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Ayan na kami.
Pagkasama kami, excuse me, thank you.
For Airlines Flight SQ915 over Singapore, the boarding process. To all remaining passengers on this flight, please prepare.
Ito na, let's go, malapit na.
Tingin dito. Ayan.
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But wouldn't it help me? Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 you so cross and share like. I'll sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the Was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah.
Takeover case. Ito na naman sa Kiss Nugget. Sa case nila.
Passengers could mention this aircraft may differ from that of other aircraft. Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and our journey through Singapore. By lowering your head and placing your hands on your lap. In an emergency evacuation, floor-level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit. Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stored for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Thank you for your attention. Refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket inside the plane for more information. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world you take to.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen, and to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore. A warm welcome home. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the opening compartments and remember to take all your belongings. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Thank you. Nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Oo nga, video. Sa business class. Ito na kami guys, Singapore. Wow, nangiiwan na naman. Ha? Nangiiwan na naman. Mangiiwan. Target na.